Hello everyone, this is Marlon Carter here out of Dallas, Texas, and what you are looking at right here is one of my capture pages that I use to promote my online business. Now I am with a business called Monsoon, and I am with the marketing system called Power Lead System, and I market these programs. In other words, they work hand in hand together. And this capture page that you're looking at is from one of the programs that I use to promote my businesses. And it says, I'm Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. This is working for me. Cool your heels. Never before seen footage finally goes live. Free video reveals how new done for you system pays you 24/7 viral cash on work done by thousands of others, and then whoever subscribed to this page will become one of my leads, and they enter their name and email address right here. Now I am with Monsoon. You can join for free, else you can join for free and then come in and start paying to be where you pay to get more traffic to your primary business. Whatever business that you are in, Monsoon will help you get exposure to your primary business. We're going to log in right quick to just show you my progress in Monsoon. I came in as a free member, and then I start paying for what you call ad packs. And ad packs will allow you to grow in Monsoon to get more exposure to your primary business. And if you don't have a primary business, you can always join up with Lead Lightning, which is Power Lead System that I create my capture pages to represent. And my capture pages are representing Power Lead System and Monsoon at the same time. But here's my progress right here. I'm growing. I got 65 ad packs, and I started with one ad pack, and I'm growing every day, and I'm making $65 a day right now. And my earnings from sharing is $3,197.57. And my total earning is $3,404.47. Now, I didn't get there overnight, and my determination is to get to 100 ad packs. And right now, I can draw out one ad pack a day, and I can build that up at one ad pack a day, because the ad pack costs $50 an ad pack. And we tell everybody to use the Broke Man plan, which was created by my upline named Rob Fraser. And you start with one ad pack, and every 7 days you're going to make $1 a day. But every 7 days you can draw that $7 out to add to the remaining of the amount to pay for another ad pack. And what you're trying to do is get up to 10 ad packs where you can use your profit to buy another ad pack. And then after you get to 10 ad pack, your determination should be 50 ad packs. Strive for 50, and then at 50 ad packs you are buying an ad pack a day, and the ad packs will help you to buy other traffic. At 50 ad packs a day, just say in 7 days, that's $350. You're going to draw out part of that money. You're going to buy more ad packs, and you're going to draw out part of it to buy more traffic to your primary site or your primary business. Now, this is where we focus. We focus on the buying the ad pack, and you're going to be placing your banners over here to add clicks to those banners. And these are my banners right here. And I put most of my clicks on Lead Lightning, which is Power Lead System. Let's click on that banner and see what happens. It will bring you over to a page like this. This is where I got that banner directed to, and this will cause people to put in their name and email address, and they will send for more information, and then they would join up for Lead Lightning for $7 one-time fee, lifetime fee. And any time that you bring in a person after you join the Lead Lightning for $7, you bring in a person through marketing on or inside of Traffic Monsoon with your banners. You bring those people in, and then you're making $6 off of that $7 one-time fee for each one that joins up with you. But I am an upgraded member in the Power Lead system, and Traffic Monsoon has allowed me to do that. And how we market is the main course of building your income through your primary business or your primary business opportunity. And this is the way you do it. Like I said, I'm with Lead Lightning. I'm with Traffic Monsoon, and Lead Lightning is the draw-in page for Power Lead System. Once you get inside of Lead Lightning, buy inside of Lead Lightning for $7, you want to put it in Traffic Monsoon to promote it. And that's mostly the bottom line of my success and my progress in Traffic Monsoon. I am building up my downline in Traffic Monsoon. Right now I have 3 active referrals, but I have over 20-some referrals inside of Traffic Monsoon, and most of them haven't paid yet. But once they really understand what Traffic Monsoon is all about and how you can make a residual income in your primary business, it doesn't matter what primary business you're with, Traffic Monsoon will help you build that business. And I am Marlon Carter. At the bottom of this video, you will find a link to Traffic Monsoon, and also I will place my link of the Power Lead system in there as well. And you all have a good and pleasant day or night. I am Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. I must say bye-bye.